I know you wanna move, I know you wanna dance, I know you getting ready to take some night away. Ooh.
Hey loves, I'm gonna show you how I made my waist beads. I was at Walmart browsing through the arts and crafts section and I came across a bunch of random little thingy things, so I figured I make my own waist beads because I've been looking at different kinds for a while now. To be honest, I'm probably still gonna go buy a bunch of different kinds of waist beads, but it was fun making it too, and it left me with enough material to make a few more pairs if I wanted to. I probably have to get some more beads, but yeah, to start, I'm gonna use my stretchy cord and just tie it around my waist, figure out where I want it. I gave myself 2 extra inches of room, so it was my waist length plus 2 extra inches. I was gonna say 2 extra lengths. No, that's the wrong word. I cut that and I got to work. So at the end of my cord, I put a little clamp piece. And the reason I put this clamp piece is because you see that little hole right there? I want to be able to hook my little clamp on it so it can keep it on my waist. So I put that on the end. I clamped it with some pliers. It was very hard because my hands were slippery. Everything kept slipping and sliding, but eventually I got it. I think I put 2 on there just to be extra secure, and once it was on there, I was safe enough to start beading without the beads having to fly everywhere, so it was good. I took the beads off. I got these beads at Walmart. I literally got everything I'm using right here at Walmart. They had so many cute beads and stuff. I seen these, I just had to do it, and plus they were some of the colors I wanted, but like I said, I want a lot of different colors. If you didn't know, the different colors mean different things.
She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm home.
I'm just adding the beads in the pattern that I want. I put 4 pink ones, and then I'll put a blue one, and then I put 4 more pink ones, and I'll put a silver one and a sparkly blue one, another silver one, 4 more pink ones, and that was my pattern going all throughout it. I messed up a few times, but it was all good. I kept the same general idea. Y'all excuse me, it's like 4 in the morning and I'm super sleepy right now, but I wanted to get this video done. I just finished editing it, so right now I'm just adding the other end pieces to the other side. I put another clasp on it, and then I put the little lobster hook, and it was like it was a task. My hands were slippery, everything kept slipping and sliding and falling all over the place, but I got it done. I did it off camera. I'm sorry you couldn't see it, but hopefully you get the general idea. And this was the finished product. I think they were so cute. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a like, a comment, and go ahead and subscribe because I make videos like this all the time.